That's your leg. In the store.
What a good boy.
Be sweet.
Come at me like I was some criminal. You know how that made me feel?
Who did it?
Momo, how's that gate working for you?
What are you doing?
Go get your ball.
Sit down, you weren't called. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Randy, what have you done?
Get away.
Cooter punch, go. Good boy.
Say hello. Say hello. Good girl.
He's free. Oh. Tiger, go in. Woo! Whoa.
Randy, let her give me a kiss.
Can I please take a nap? Norman, here. Talk to me. Oh.
He says ow.
Why?
Why are you saying ow?
Whisper. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. God damn. God damn.
shoe. I know it. It hurts so bad. Hi, baby.
Oh!
Hello.
Tell me what you...
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Wait. What day?
Oh shit.
Do you want to go home?
What did you do? What did you do?
¿Viste que la perra del vecino está embarazada? No sabe qué pasó, ¿no?
Hi, Wiener.
Come here. Come here.
Done.
Do it. Do it.
Sam, what you doing? You got a hot dog, buddy? Check. Okay. And here she goes.
It's okay. Don't cry. You're fine.
Dobrzy territory.
Hey, boy. What's up? Andy.
Chuck, you hungry?
Puking inang yan, Optimum Bright.
Really?
You must choose, Mr. Bond. Get your nails clipped or perish in the river below. What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Come on, dude.
Oh.
Oh no!
What the are you doing?
Hey, hey.
You can take a small bite. Just bite it. Gentle.
Why am I doing this? I don't even know what's under here. I don't even know what's under here. Let's go find out what's behind.
Zoe.
Are you supposed to have that toy inside?
Ow! Ow! Rowdy! Rowdy!
Okay.
Really, Layla?
Tell me what you